I think one of the easiest things we can do is let ourselves become lax about our outward appearance, especially when times are tough. While it's true that God looks at the heart and we see what's on the outside, there is still much to be gained by taking care of ourselves. Many of us feel more productive and wish to present ourselves in a pleasant way, which our families will appreciate and grow to remember. I've mentioned many times in the past the importance of this effort, especially for our husbands. Think of all the trouble you would go to when you were dating. This isn't the time to become lax on your grooming. Something that always stands out to me is how in the Bible, when the subject of fasting comes up, there is instruction for proper conduct, and part of that is about outward appearance. It was seen as a negative thing to not take care of oneself in such a time. I think it's important, especially in difficult times, to still take care of ourselves. While I understand this isn't the proper context of the scripture which was written, I believe the lesson one can still gain is that we tend to draw negative attention to ourselves when we don't take care of our outward appearance and practice good hygiene, especially in less than ideal circumstances.